Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about this app called Money is basically those people who are very keen to know or who want to for those people who want to track their transaction on daily basis. I mean, they want to see where they are spending, how much they are spending, and what cost they are spending. I mean, after a month, they either reduce that cost to save some money, or they can just adjust themselves accordingly. Right. This app is really good. First of all, if you want to add any transactions, I mean, it is divided in this month. You can track it for the last month, for date by date wise. I mean, if whatever you want to do. All right, for this month, if I want to add any transactions, for example, I will just click on this plus button. All right, so its plus button should op- open this another page, all right, where you can just enter the amount. For example, I just want to enter 1,000. All right, I spend 1,000 on what? All right, just put. Okay, all right, that's bad. All right, hit the plus button again. All right, enter the amount. To the amount. You can change your currency accordingly. If you want any other currency, for example in USD or whatever currency your country has, all right, just click on the currency and you're good to go. All right, so my is PKR, so just I will just keep it as RS. All right, so I've spent 1,000 RS. I'll select the category, either it's a food, bills, transportation, shopping, friends and lovers, entertainment, travel, health and fitness, gift and donations, family. I mean, there are different categories where you can decide on which you have spent. All right, it's basically an expense. All right, it's basically it could be an income. You can different there are different categories: income, expense, debt and loans. All right, so if money is income, just select the category, or you can make your own category wherever you want to make. All right, for same as the case in expenses. I mean, there are different expenses. You can make your own category. You are if your expense is not listed in this list, right? So if it's a debt and loan, so mention it as a debt and loan. All right. So I will just select an expense. For example, I went to movies. All right. So you can send an I mean you can add a note. Right, when you went, you paid it in cash or via bank account, whatever you like it. Right, so just do it and just mention all the details or add more details with whom you went. You can add the location, event, reminder, picture from either select from a gallery or take a picture of it. Alright, so just save it. Once you save it, it will directly show on your this month account. Right, you have spent this much. Alright, so in your wallet there are two categories. I mean, either it's a bank or it's a cash. You got total amount, right? For example, select your total amount. Right, so overview, you can see the overview. Opening is balance amount you got in your pocket. So let's see where you can spend for this month and which category I have spent more on. For example, entertainment right now. So that is a good thing. Next, this is basically the ads that shows up. Right, so let's see. That is basically you got to add features. You can select the time range. You can want to see view the category, adjust balance, transfer money. I mean, if you have transferred some money, I mean, you just want to edit your wallet, just edit it. click on edit. Alright, Pakistani rupees. I mean, if you want to change it to some other currency, yes, you can change it. And if you want to get it notified, yes, exclude from total. If you want things to be excluded from your total, yes, you can. Or you can archive your wallet. I mean, just freeze this wallet and stop. It will stop generating your bills and recurring transactions. Alright, this is the thing. You can do this. Alright. So inflow, haven't added any inflow for the month because okay, let's see. Like where we can add. So, all right. So there might be an option to add. If you want to see bills, you can see. All right. There are different things. Bills, or you can add bills over here. I mean, if you have paid any bill or anything. All right. So there are lots of options. I mean, traveling more, saving budgets, transactions, debts, where the trend is going. If you want to see the trend, I mean, which or where you're spending. I mean, where you're spending more and how much you're spending. I mean, I've just added 1K, and it's just showing me that you are spending this much amount. I mean, over the time, if you're the categories. I mean, if I say on the category, it will say entertainment, thousands. I mean, I've been spending a lot, yeah. So let's go back to transactions. All right. So for this month, I just want to see where I have spent it, all the money. You can see. I mean, it's a nice pie chart. Pie chart. You can see. Now let's go back. All right, and other ad. Okay. All right. See it. All right. That's a bit. And if you have add on future transaction, we projected that you will receive that amount in this much of time, you can add it over here. That's really easy. I mean, if you want to see your transaction for the last month, yes, add your transaction for the last month. You can compare it with your current month. I mean, you can even carry forward, and just like a balance sheet, you can make it. All right, this is a notification giving me. I mean, hooray! You have earned 100 credit today. Record your transaction every day. I mean, this is just perks, right? So this is a really good idea if you're already everything today and things are getting better, right? So that's really good. I mean, it's really a good app. It's a free version. Right now, you can upgrade to the paid version as well. I mean, that's a really good idea. If you want to, if you really like it, you can budget it. You can see your savings, your events. I mean, recurring transactions. I mean, every month that those transactions been repeating. I mean, you might be spending a lot on that particular category, which you might want to cut it down and uh, make it less expense for you. All right. So that's it. That's the app. You can explore more things on it. I mean, you can. All right. One thing more. One thing more. You can even add your bank. All right. Connect your bank. If your bank is listed in the list they have given, all right, then definitely you can list it. Even in my case, I cannot link my bank which is not listed in the list because there are different banks. There's a listed in this whole list, right? You can just scroll down and look for you. Either you can uh, put a search on it, and your uh, basically most of the banks are listed. So for yourself, I mean, it's really a good idea to connect your bank as well. I mean, you know where your transaction is going. Every transaction there might be showing that this app will particularly show you how well you're doing. So that's totally upon you. If you want to log into your account, I mean connect your bank to this app. I mean it's totally upon you guys. So that's all from my side. If you like this video, kindly hit like and subscribe. Thanks very much.